Assalamu alaikum class. Today I am going to discuss the order Phasmidia. Under the entomology, common name of insects included in the order Phasmidia are the stick insects, leaf insects, walking sticks, and the phasmids. Why they are known as the stick insects or leaf insects? Because their external appearance is just like the stick or the leaf. The synonyms: Phasmodia, Cheliotoptera, Phasmatoptera, Plasmatoidea, Graciosa. Their size is moderate to very large, and usually they are cylindrical in nature. Sometimes they appear like a leaf. This is actually a camouflage strategy in these insects. Their head is well developed, and compound eyes are well developed, but ocelli or simple eyes are absent in case of these insects. Mandibulate mouth parts. These insects, their feeding mode is phytophagous. They feed on the plant matter, so they have mandibulate mouth parts, or you can say that their mandibles are well developed for the purpose of chewing and biting. Prothorax is short, mesothorax and metathorax are the large segments in their body. The thorax is the second part of their body. Insects, they are sometimes they have wings, or sometimes they are without wings. All legs are similar. It's mean 3 pairs of legs are similar, and 3 to 5 segmented tarsi, or second last part or segment of the leg is known as the tarsi. It may be 3 to 5 segmented. Ovipositor is small. Male genitalia small and hidden. Circi are unsegmented. These are present on the last abdominal segment, and these are sensory in nature. Specialized auditory and stridulating structures absent in most of the species. So stridulating is the production of a special kind of voice for purpose of attracting the mate, and auditory cells are also absent in most of the species, but not the all. Approximately 2,500 species discovered in the tropical region, Indo-Malayan region. 150 species are present in the Australia, 30 in the North America, 3 in the Britain. Their gut is straight and comprise a large crop whose posterior part act as a gizzard. Crop act as a storage organ, and gizzard is involved in grinding the food. A midgut and a hindgut is present. Central nervous system is include the 3 thoracic and 7 abdominal ganglia. Central nervous system is of a primitive type. These insects are sedentary because their external appearance or morphology is just like the stick or insects. They use these strategies for camouflage. However, if in case they are detected by the predator, they adopt certain other strategies, which is falling on the ground and enter into the cataleptic state. Cataleptic state is the state of nervous rigidity, in which they act like they are either dead animals, and in this way to detect these insects is very difficult. Or other strategies include the secretion of the obnoxious material from the rupogonatory glands. These obnoxious materials ward off the predator from themselves. These insects are mostly nocturnal. The nocturnal habitat prevent themselves from the predators, and mostly these are green or brown insects, so they hide themselves in the twigs or in the branches of the plants. Eggs remain viable for 2 to more years, and post embryonic development may take several months. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you.